Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are making little mini pumpkins for a table setting or plate setting. If this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For this project, you will need 3 pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, a half a yard of material, glitter, beads, 1 crystal knot, Mod Podge, and a glue gun. All materials that we're using will be listed in the description bar below this video. As you can see, we are covering the pumpkin in the material and we are making sure that the material is tight on the pumpkin. Now we are securing the material with a rubber band. Now we are going to remove the extra material. In case you're wondering why we are cutting the rubber band, it's because we now have to release the material for the pumpkin, and we decided to do it this way so we won't have all that extra material when we have to tuck the material into the pumpkin. We won't have a lot of material to work with, and we're kind of rounding it off so it can fit more to the shape of the pumpkin. Make sure you are pressing your material tightly against your pumpkin. Now we will continue this process until the pumpkin is completely covered. This part is a little challenging, so if you would like, you can use scissors, anything that you feel that can help easily tuck the material inside, then do so. We have a combination of glitter and beads that we are placing onto these miniature pumpkins. On the second pumpkin, we decided that it would be cute to do a little ruffle in the back of the pumpkin. So that's what we're doing. We are ruffling the back of the pumpkin. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.